Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7421 on a Toyota Highlander. This hitch features our hidden design, completely concealing the cross tube, only exposing the receiver. If you enjoy this video, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs. Starting off, remove the 3 push clips and 3 screws attaching the driver's side splash guard. While applying slight downward pressure on the splash guard, remove the captured push nuts. Remove the splash guard from the vehicle. The passenger side has 2 push clips, 3 screws, and 1 bolt that need to be removed. Remove the 2 plastic push clips holding the 2 bottom bumper tabs. Following the guidelines in your instructions, trim the driver's side splash guard. Next, remove the 4 plastic thread covers and 1 rubber hole plug on the driver's side of the frame. Repeat this on the passenger side. Lubricate the exhaust hanger and remove it from the bracket. Now you can raise the EcoHitch into position. Align the holes in each side plate with the holes in the frame. Secure each of the 4 vertical holes with an M12 bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Attach the driver's side vertical plate to the outside of the frame rail, installing 1 M12 bolt, lock washer, and flat washer into each of the upper holes. Secure the lower holes with the provided 1/2-inch hardware. Repeat these steps to install the passenger vertical plate. Ensure the hitch is centered on the vehicle and torque down all the hardware in the following order. First, the M12 hardware on the vertical plates. Followed by the vertical M12 bolts. Some of the hardware may need to be adjusted to fit a socket. Return the hardware, then tighten the 1/2-inch bolts. Reattach the 2 bottom bumper tabs. Then reinstall the splash guards. Finally, reinstall the muffler into the exhaust hanger. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.